Welcome to Bob's Luxury Shop, where we've got everything you need from YSL to Louis Vuitton. Bob, the store owner, was a fixture of his small town. However, with each passing year, Bob saw his customer base shrinking. One day, Bob's 13-year-old granddaughter, Lily, excitedly told him, "Did you know there are over 5 billion people online? Imagine if you could reach even 0.001% of them with your shop."
Well, I'm no billionaire, but that would indeed be quite the empire.
Lily, armed with her youthful energy and curiosity, convinced Bob to take Bob's Everything shop online. With the shop now online, orders began trickling in from other towns, then other states, and eventually other countries. Bob was amazed. His humble shop was now serving a global audience, offering his products to people he could never have reached otherwise. Bob felt proud as he saw the business that he had built brick by brick becoming a digital empire. Now he knew that his business had a chance to last for generations, transcending geographical and temporal boundaries. Interactive Activity 1, the branding game. Participants create an online profile for a hypothetical brick-and-mortar store, highlighting its unique selling points and story. Interactive Activity 2, the Global Market Challenge. Participants identified 3 countries they would target for expanding online business and create a basic marketing strategy for each. Interactive Activity 3, the Legacy Project. Participants write a vision statement describing the long-term impact they want their digital empire to have on the world. Conclusion, the rise of the digital empire. With a twinkle in his eye, Bob looked at Lily and said, "Well, I reckon we're just getting started." Who knew that Bob's Luxury Shop could become Bob's Global Emporium? Here's to building digital empires. Lesson recap. An online presence enables businesses to tap into a global market of over 5 billion internet users. Building a digital empire provides opportunities to create lasting brands and businesses. Transitioning from a brick-and-mortar store to an online business can ensure the sustainability and longevity of the enterprise. Embrace the digital revolution. The world is your oyster and your empire awaits. I can, I will, I must, let's go! For digital marketing help, please visit https://www.sechangemarketing.com.